What the heck? What the heck? What is she? What? What is she doing? What? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Odie! Odie! No! I was wondering what that was. And I'm like, and then I turned around.
What is it?
This is your new puppy.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. You've always wanted it.
At first, she thought the puppy belonged to her friend, but when she found out it was hers, her heart just melted.
He's all yours.
Wait, you're joking? You're lying.
You like him? Oh, that was amazing.
Oh, here she comes. She gonna lose her mind.
Honey, shut the door. Oh my goodness. Come on, let's go. Oh my goodness. Who is it?
What do you think it is?
Oh, mommy.
5 years of waiting, countless efforts to persuade, and now it was all worth this happiness.
Oh my gosh, Mom, that's adorable.
You're so welcome.
When a men turn into little boys for the sweetest reason.
She's a girl. Okay, get her.
What the fuck y'all have now? Oh my gosh, you recording?
The best friends never leave us. And now this little pup has come to her.
What is that? What is that, y'all? No, for real, what is that? Is that real?
Here's Jensen about to see his dog for the first time.
You're lying. Oh my god.
We gotta pick out a name, but come on, we gotta go, bud.
You for real? For real, mommy? Ah! Ah! No! Oh my god! Is that really him?
Just 3 weeks after her beloved 11-year-old Rottweiler, Emmett, passed away, her husband surprised her with a new pug.
Oh my god! When did you get him?
Evidently just now. That's why I'm running late.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Everyone close your eyes. I'll tell you when to open them on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Wait. What? Wait, what? Can I hold her?
Oh my god!
You don't like being on video? We found someone the other day to get it.
Oh, she's beautiful. Oh my god. She's so tiny.
Yeah. She's soft too, isn't she?
Thank you.
Are you gonna cry?
Oh my fucking God. Oh my God.
They dreamed, they hoped, and now each surprise leads them to true happiness.
Yeah. All right. You can look now. Stop crying. You're making me cry, asshole.
With this gift, he'll have something special, a little joy to keep him motivated and loved.
What is that? Oh, babe, who is that? What are you doing? Oh my God! Give me. Who is this?
It's Reggie.
True friends always know exactly what can make your heart smile again.
Be careful. Be gentle.
His name is Kirby.
Do you like the name, or you want to change it?
No, he's perfect. He is perfect.
Go upstairs.
I'm right here.
Okay. Do you have the video?
Yeah.
Alright, come here.
Is that ours?
Yep.
That's ours. Oh, yes, thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Oh my gosh. Does he know? He doesn't know?
Day and night, his son wished for a corgi. And of course, a dad's heart can't ignore something that pure.
Yes, this is your puppy, Pumpkin. Just got him for you.
Where did you get him?
Are you excited?
Merry Christmas.
A man's heart can be strong and unshakable until a tiny little creature finds a way to melt it.
I'm here.
Mom, don't. Oh! What is this?
It's your granddog.
Moms have dreams too. And today, one of hers finally came true. You thought the puppy was in the box? No way. This kind of love could never fit in there.
She's so Daddy, why are you crying? Are you happy? Stop. Hey, stop it.
She's going back tomorrow.
No, really, stop.
Yes, he goes back tomorrow. He's such a good puppy.
As he grows up, one thing is certain. He'll never have to walk alone.
Eli!
What is that? What are you doing, What are you doing? Go see him.
Is it
There's
so
a kitty that
present?
wants to see you.
Really?
Why are you crying? Oh, are you happy? And he's so cute.
Whose is that?
It's ours.
Oh my god, Mom! What the heck is it? Oh my god. Oh, puppy. Surprise!
Merry Christmas.
If kids could ask Santa for just one thing, it would always be a puppy.
Grab one.
Now watch, you can see
Oh, okay.
how much you love me.
I always loved you.
I know. You wouldn't get mad at me, right?
What for?
Merry Christmas.
You kitty.
No. Merry Christmas.
Hola! Surprise! What? Surprise!
A long trip from Mexico, yet the moment of family happiness made it all worthwhile.
They're your little grandkids now.
You brought them from...
Você tá me zoando!
É seu cachorro.
Você tá me zoando! É mentira, né?
Não, é.
Ai, não acredito!
Hey, Papa. I got a little surprise for you. What do you think it is?
I have no idea. I mean, oh my God.
Yeah! Way to go, give me that ball.
It seemed like Grandpa had forgotten what love felt like, until this dog came along and showed that love can bloom again. Thanks for watching. We hope this video brought you some joy and relaxation. See you in the next video.